Hi guys, my name is Jermaine and welcome to your Body Blitz workout. Today, it's always important before every workout that we warm up and stretch before workouts and stretch after workouts. Today's workout, something a little bit different. It's a good workout to do in the morning, first thing as you get up while you're waiting for your toast or your breakfast, or last thing at night just to kickstart that metabolism and get you into tip-top shape. It's based on 30 seconds of exercise with a 30-second rest period. We're gonna do 2 rounds. Some of the exercises will be weighted, some will be body weights, but the goal is smash it and give all you got. All right then, our first exercise will be weighted star jumps. For this, we're gonna grab dumbbells, so chest up, arms open, and in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep going guys, keep pushing. We're halfway there. Bring those arms up. Get into a nice rhythm with your breathing and keep moving. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Okay, that was excellent. So when you're doing it, you want to take those arms slightly just higher than you would in a lateral raise. Make sure you're working those deltoids properly. Keep that chest upwards and keep those abs braced. So 3, 2, 1, let's go again. Try and count how many you do and try and improve it on the second round if you want. Push yourself a little more. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Excellent, guys. That was great. Our next exercise, we're just gonna put our dumbbells down, our fast feet. This one's great because it ramps up that metabolism a bit more, gets that heart rate going. So we're just gonna go into toe taps, keeping that chest up, hands by your side, moving real quick. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Try and be light on those toes, just tapping it. We're nearly there, guys. Keep going. Keep up that intensity, keep working. Last 5. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Shake it out. Give yourselves 30 seconds, and then push again. Like I said, try and be nice and light with those toes, keeping that chest up, and just lightly tapping, get into a rhythm, then you can start speeding it up. So we're gonna do that one last time. We got 10 seconds. So get ready, guys. In 3, in 2, in 1. Let's smash it, let's go. Quick, keep going, guys. Keep moving those feet. You can incorporate dumbbells into your arms as well and get a good bicep and tricep workout. Keep going. Nearly there. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent, guys. Great stuff. Our next exercise will be dumbbell jabs. So on your rest period, to get some deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth, fill those lungs. So in 3, 2, in 1, and let's go. So the point is, you want to just be punching nice and fast in front of you. Keep those hands up, keep breathing, pinpoint a target, keep moving. Keep going, guys. We're doing great. Remember, it's all about getting that heart rate up, burning off that fat, speeding up that metabolism. We're nearly there. Keep pushing. Keep going. Last 5 now. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent, guys. Great stuff. Ooh, my heart rate's racing. I hope yours is too. So shake it out. Deep breath in again. Breathe out. Get ready. We're going for it in 3, in 2, in one, let's go. Come on, move those arms. Nice and fast. Keep working. Try and keep that intensity up, keep that pace up. Don't drop, don't quit. If you need to, slow it down a little bit, but don't stop. Keep working, it's only 30 seconds. We've already done 20. Keep going. We've got 10 left. Keep pushing. We're doing great, guys. In 5, in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Excellent, guys. So dumbbells down to our side. Next exercise, just a basic push-up. You want to get your chest to elbow height. Going for 30 seconds with a 30-second rest, 2 rounds. If you have to revert to your knees, do so. It's okay. Just give it all for 30 seconds. So hands should be shoulder width apart. In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. We're getting to a nice rhythm, nice flow. Remember, keep breathing. We're nearly there, halfway. Keep pushing. Victory's around the corner, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent, guys. 30-second rest. You're doing amazing. Keep working, keep that intensity sky high. Remember, you've got to push yourself. You've got to get the best out of your body. Couple seconds. Get ready. This round I'm gonna do on my knees. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Get that chest to elbow height. Squeezing the pectoral on the down push. 15 seconds, keep going. If you have to take a breather, stop for a second. Straighten out those arms, get your composure, and push. Come on. Excellent, guys. Great stuff. Okay, 2 exercises left. We're doing amazing. Next one, mountain climbers. 30 seconds. Hands on the board, get those knees going. All right, in 3, in 2, in 1, and let's go. So just getting those knees parallel to the ground, keeping that chest up, keep breathing. There we go, guys, keep pushing. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Shake those arms out, shake that chest out, stretch those muscles if you have to. Get your oxygen in, keep breathing. As you can see, I'm starting to sweat. You should be too. Like I said, great way to kickstart that system in the morning or last thing at night before bed. So we're shaking it out in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Keep pushing, guys. If you need to stop, stop. Keep that body in the perfect position. Keep those abs braced. Three, 2, and 1. Excellent, guys. Last exercise is just the plank. So I really want you to make sure we focus on abs being braced. The body's nice and flat. You can opt for a high plank or a low plank, which is on the forearms. So we're gonna opt for slightly low plank on the forearms. So in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So just breathe and breathe. Keep squeezing those abs. Come on, last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Excellent. If you suffer from lower back problems or lower ab problems, you can revert it by either doing a high plank on your knees like in the press up, or even a low plank on your forearms, still in the knees position. So we're gonna go for a high plank in your knees position. 2, 1, and go. So just leaning forward, making sure those abs are stretched, arms are flat. Just hold that position there. Keep that head up. Keep breathing. Keep working. Keep going, guys. We're nearly at that finish line. Victory's there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent, guys. That's been your Body Blitz. I've enjoyed it. Hope you have. We'll see you next time. Great stuff.